Let's see how we can use webharvy to scrap hotel details from Google Hotels. So I'm loading the website first within webharvy's browser, and I can also perform a search and select the necessary filters. And then once you have loaded the page which displays all the data which you need, we can start selecting data. For that, click on the start button and then click on the first listing, apply capture more content, highlight the hotel name and give it a name. As you can see, the remaining hotels have been identified. Let's scroll down the page and click on the next page link and set it as next page link, so webharvy knows how to load multiple pages and scrape the data which we select. Scroll back up and again click on the title of the first result, and this time use the follow this link option. It will load the hotel details page from where we can select more details like rating. So we can just click and select all the required details. This would be the price. The currency is based on my location, so it might be different for yours. So you can also scrape a data which follows heading text by using the capture following text option, and then maybe you can select this area, nearby places. Let's go to about, use the click option to load the tab, and from here we can get the website. We can use the capture target URL option to get the website and also the address and the hotel phone number. Alright, now we can stop configuration. We can now optionally save the configuration so that it can be run later or scheduled to be run periodically. For now, we'll click on Start Mine, select Mine All Pages and click on the Start button. This is where the real mining happens. webharvy will load the same page and will start extracting the data. As you can see, it will now load each hotel details page and fetch the data which we selected during configuration. So once mining finishes, you can export this data as a file. Various file formats are supported. You can also export it to a database. Various databases like MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, etc. are supported. So if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or at support@webharvy.com. We recommend that you download and try using the free trial version available in our website webharvy.com. Thank you.